Good morning students. In previous video we have seen about the plane in Brazil. In this today's video we are going to teach the next geographic division of Brazil is islands. Which islands? Beside the main island, some islands are also included in Brazil. Do you know, we have seen in our India there are main two islands. In the Bay of Bengal there is a, which island is there? Andaman and Nicobar group. And in Arabian Sea there is a Lakshadweep islands, and these island also the part of our India. In this way, in the Brazil, the main islands, some islands are also included in Brazil. Okay, some islands are also in the Brazil. They can be classified into coastal islands and marine island. And these islands also classified in two parts: coastal islands and marine islands. Coastal islands means those islands are very nearby coastline, kinar. Okay, that island is called as coastal island, and those islands are located in the middle part of the oceans. Okay, these islands is called as marine islands. So dear students, most of the coastal islands have formed due to the depositions. Now most of the islands in Brazil means those islands are nearby coastal lines. Okay, that islands are made by depositions of river. Depositions. Now what is meant by depositions? Depositions means when the rivers, okay, when the rivers they carried a different type of material with them, pebbles, mud, okay, soils, okay, different type of material, and when they meet to oceans, okay, that times their speed become very slow, and when their speed become very low, okay, they deposit करना, depositions यानी जमा करना हुआ, they deposit all this material on the bank of the oceans or on the coast of the ocean. And that's why I am telling you, due to the depositions of these rivers, you know very well, okay, there are only two main rivers, Amazon rivers and Paraguay Parana basin. Okay, these two rivers, okay, carried this type of material, and they deposit all this material on the coastline of east side, north side, and in east side. Okay, and that's why they create their islands. Marine islands were a part of main islands and marine islands. Next part is the marine islands. We have seen, okay, there are two parts. We classified two parts of islands: coastal islands and marine islands. Now marine island located in the middle of the oceans, and that is also part of the mainland of Brazil. They are more than 30 kilometers away from the main lands in the Atlantic Oceans. Do you know? Okay, there are main two oceans, North Atlantic Oceans and South Atlantic Oceans, and those islands are located in the middle of the Atlantic Oceans. They are away from the mainland of Brazil. How much? 30 किलोमीटर अवे. जो ब्राज़ील है, ब्राज़ील से वो कितना किलोमीटर उसकी दूरी है? 30 kilometers away from the mainland of Brazil. Which island? Marine island. Listen carefully. These islands are mostly rocky and they are top of the submerged mountain. And these marine islands are totally rocky. How they are? Rocky. Okay. Rock type. Okay, rocky. And submerged in the mountains. And that's why they are looking, okay, just like a mountain range. Actually, they are in the middle of the oceans. The islands near the coast of South Atlantic Oceans are coral islands, and the islands near the coast of South Atlantic Oceans, okay, they are also, I have told you, coastal islands. Okay, they are coral islands and they are called atolls. They are coral. प्रवाल उसको बोलते हो कि प्रवाल. Okay, they are also oceans are coral islands, so that's why that islands is called as coral islands, and they are atolls. को क्या बोलते हैं? Corals islands. and atolls. Once again, atolls means it is a ring type, round shape. उसका shape कैसा है? Round shape, ring type. Okay, so dear students, in this way, today's video we have seen the information about islands. So dear student, page number 19, see there, color of both. Color of both. Okay, for that you have to study figure number 3.1 and 3.2. Okay, there is a physiography of India and Brazil. Okay, so that map, okay, you have to study carefully. Okay, it is a homework for you. Okay, it is a questions for you, and by reading, by studying that both countries map, India and Brazil, okay, you have to solve all these questions. Okay, in this next video we will see the next portion of this lesson. Okay, so dear students, today's video we have seen the islands and it's your homework for you. Okay, thank you.